Hey guys and girls, so today we're going to be addressing an issue that probably a lot of you guys have, and that is corrosion within your trailer hitch here and your connectors. This side actually isn't too bad with the 7-pin because it's a little bit more sealed. This one here, just being rubber, has a tendency to allow water in, and you can see just how bad that is. So we're going to follow up with a couple of tools of the trade here, and excuse all the traffic and everything that's going by, but we're just going to take some of these tools and see what we can get out of there. We're going to use this end. I'm just going to follow it up again with some compressed air. Sorry, there was just a lot in that one. There's still quite a bit in that one, actually. All the other connectors I can see, but this one still has and honestly, there's no point in sealing in all that corrosion because it's not going to do you any good. We're just going to follow this up now with a good synthetic dielectric grease. You don't have to use synthetic, it's just what I prefer. This is also great for brake pins, brake slides, brake calipers, back of brake pads, everything. And what that grease is going to do is, in theory, seal out all the water that's going to want to penetrate that. And then while we're here, we will add just a little bit to the inside of these pins. Just in case. So one thing I also wanted to mention while I was here is that I've actually repaired this trailer hitch, not repaired, but repainted it. And I actually used this VHT paint, and the reason why I use that is because it's corrosion, chemical, etc. resistant, and it's also a one-step epoxy paint as opposed to a lacquer or an oil-based paint. So it should have stood up better to the Canadian climates. but I think because we use so much salt and beet juice or brine up here that it just keeps corroding and eating away at it. This hasn't even been a year, and that's what it looks like. So I'll hit it again, try to get some more layers on it. But I hope you found the video informative. Hope it helps you guys out. If you like it, thumbs up. If you don't like it, thumbs down. Not gonna hurt my feelings. Comment, follow, whatever you need to do. Until the next time, guys and gals, thank you.